all the way down. How much is that gonna be kitchen?
Probably 60% of it will be kitchen.
60%, that's gonna be his kitchen right there. Well, this just gonna be storage back here? Coolers back here. Then we gonna lay up another floor, and then there'll be equipment on top of this. Air conditioning, handling units, and all that kind of stuff. Hey, it's coming on. Got these here fireproof stairs. Big construction project for Crestview, especially for a private individual.